Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one multiplied by this one and this one. So we have like this. Next, we just consider about this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this. dv equals to ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. Next, we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So s divided by s we simplify, and now we have like this. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. So we can see that this one and this one, they cancel. So we just have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.